Hey everyone, welcome to Guide on how to turn off email notifications on LinkedIn. Let's dive right in. First, open the LinkedIn app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged in. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will open the menu where you can access your account settings. Scroll down and select Settings. In the Settings menu, tap on Notification button. This is where you can manage your notification preferences. Here's you see list of options. Click on any section there's you want turn of email notification. So here click on searching a job for turning off email notification. Then click on any option. We will click on Save Jobs. And turn off email option. And here we will turn off one more email notification. So click on Career Advice. And turn off email notification option. And there you have it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.